Hi, everyone. Jewelry isn't just about sparkle and beauty, it's also about innovation, precision, and smart design. Today, I'm going to share 5 fascinating facts about modern jewelry. Design that will completely change the way you look at this industry. From preventing metal waste to saving production costs, these insights reveal just how powerful 3D design has become in the jewelry world. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most practical aspects of 3D modeling. 1. Precise 3D modeling prevents metal waste. In traditional jewelry making, small errors in measurement often lead to unnecessary use of metal. For example, if a ring is carved by hand and turns out slightly heavier than intended, extra gold or silver gets wasted. But with 3D modeling, the software calculates dimensions and weight with incredible accuracy in down to fractions of a millimeter. This means the designer knows exactly how much metal will be required before any casting begins. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces material waste, which is especially important when working with expensive resources like gold, platinum, or diamonds. It's a smart, sustainable way of designing. Now, precision is one thing, but what about creativity and choice? That's where colors come in. 2. Color variations in digital design help customers decide. Imagine you're a customer choosing an engagement ring. You might love the design, but you're not sure whether it will look better with a ruby, a sapphire, or an emerald. Instead of making 3 different physical prototypes, the designer can simply switch colors and stones in the software. Within seconds, you can see multiple options side by side. This flexibility makes customers more confident in their decisions and also speeds up the sales process. In fact, many jewelers say that showing digital color variations is one of the most persuasive tools when working with clients who want a custom-made piece. And once the design looks stunning in the software, the next challenge is showing it to the customer, especially online. 3. High-quality renders play a huge role in online sales. The jewelry market has shifted dramatically toward online shopping in the last decade. When people can't physically hold or try on a product, they rely entirely on images and videos. That's why realistic 3D renders are so powerful. They don't just show the piece, they make it shine with perfect lighting, reflections, and textures that resemble professional photography. For example, a well-rendered ring can highlight the sparkle of a diamond or the luster of polished gold in a way that feels almost tangible. These renders build trust with the customer and can often be the deciding factor in whether they click buy or not. Of course, not every designer relies only on software. Some still hold on to traditional methods. 4. Some designers still use wax modeling instead of digital tools, despite all the advantages of digital design. There are still artisans who prefer the traditional wax modeling method. Wax carving has been used for centuries in jewelry making. It allows the designer to sculpt a piece by hand, creating an intimate connection with the material. Some believe this hands-on process brings out creativity and uniqueness that software can't always replicate. However, wax modeling is time-consuming, less precise, and leaves more room for human error. That's why many modern designers use a hybrid approach. They start with 3D software for accuracy and technical details, then move to wax for final artistic touches. This combination respects tradition while taking advantage of technology. And finally, one of the biggest reasons why 3D design has become essential in modern jewelry making: reducing production costs. 5. 3D design can reduce production costs. Perhaps one of the most practical benefits of 3D design is cost reduction. Jewelry manufacturing involves expensive materials, skilled labor, and often several rounds of prototyping. With 3D design, many of those steps can be streamlined. Designers can simulate the entire piece, digitally testing proportions, adjusting details, and even predicting how the jewelry will look when worn. The software also estimates the final weight of the metal, which means no unpleasant surprises at the casting stage. By avoiding multiple prototypes and reducing wasted material, 3D design makes production faster and cheaper. For both the jeweler and the customer, this efficiency translates into better value and smoother business operations. So, these were 5 powerful facts about jewelry design that show how technology and tradition come together in this beautiful craft. From saving materials to helping customers choose their perfect piece, digital design is shaping the future of jewelry. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more jewelry insights.